Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Inshallah Ta'ala, I am starting a new series of lectures of autobody to you. Autobody is taught in the third year syllabus of auto and diesel classes. The part of automobile which is fitted over the chassis is called autobody. The types of autobody according to use are car, van, bus, truck, pickup, rickshaw. And the types of autobody as per the use are for carrying the passengers, for carrying the load, and for mini load carrying as well. Examples of autobody. Autobody can be generally categorized in the following forms. The Ford F-150, is used for load carrying and for pulling other vehicles. The bus Devo BS-106 is used for carrying passengers. The car Suzuki car, it is used for carrying passengers up to 5 persons only. As per the construction of the automobile, the frame of the automobile can be the conventional body construction. It is the type of autobody in which frame and body is welded or bolted together to make one unit. Looking into the pictures, you can easily see the structure of the frame. Here this is a conventional frame which is bolted together to the car body and to the loader body. And the second type is unitized body construction. And unitized body construction, which is a type of auto body in which body parts are welded together in such a manner so that frame is not required. By meaning the not requirement of frame, it doesn't mean that it is not having the frame, but the various parts are welded together. They are integrated together in such a way that they actually perform the function of a very good frame. And this type of frame is called unitized body frame. According to style of the auto body, the various styles of the auto body are the hatchback vehicles. The type of auto body in which there is very compact luggage compartment like Suzuki Mehran, Hyundai Santro, and many others are examples of hatchback vehicle. Here in this type of vehicle, the luggage compartment is quite small as compared to other auto bodies. The hard top vehicles. In this type of auto body, there is no center pillar for the support of roof. Due to absence of support of center pillar, its roof panel or top is made very hard. More hinges and rivets are used in making of this type of auto body. The hard top vehicles are generally large and more robust as compared to the hatchback vehicles, and they are having a large luggage compartment as well. The sedan. In this type of auto body, there is large luggage compartment at rear than hatchback, which is extended. Here, the luggage compartment is extended up to the rear. The two examples of Toyota Corolla and Suzuki car are present in the picture. The wagon. It is generally called the station wagon or the wagon, the type of auto body in which there is large luggage compartment and passenger compartment at rearward. By looking into the picture, we can easily identify the three compartments. That is, the first is the driver and the co-seater compartment. The second is used for the passenger, and the third one is used for the luggage. And this type of vehicle is generally called wagon. Convertible auto bodies. The style of auto body in which there is no stable hard roof. Its roof is removable, made up of leather or clothing material, and one can have a roof of his own choice as well on such convertible auto bodies in the market. According to wheelbase of the vehicle, the auto body can be further classified into mini wheelbase. The mini wheelbase is 92 inches to 102 inch. The compact is 102 inch to 112 inches. The medium is 112 inches to 119 inches. And the large wheelbase is more than 119 inches. Wheelbase can be simply defined as it is the length from the center of front wheel to the center of rear wheel. The construction of auto body. There are two types of panel in the auto body. The first is the minor body panels, and the second one is the major body panels. The minor body panels include the bonnet. This part of the auto body covers engine compartment. It also makes car body more aerodynamic. The trunk lid. The trunk lid is the second minor body part. The trunk lid covers the luggage compartment of vehicle. It might be at rear or at front side. If the engine is located at the front of the vehicle, then the trunk lid invariably is fitted at the rear of the engine. However, if the engine is placed at the rear of a vehicle, then the trunk lid is generally placed or located in the front of the vehicle. The difference is visible in the two cars. Tailgate. Tailgate is mostly used in station wagon or in ambulances. Ambulances and station wagons are mostly used wounded peoples and for carrying those who are unable to reach themselves to their destination. Fender. Fender is a curved metallic plate which covers suspension system and wheel of car. It is a curved metallic plate and it is actually covering the suspension system and wheel of the car. It is called fender. Left side fender and right side fender are almost of the same design. However, one is used at the left side of the car, the other one is used on the right side of the car. Shields. Shields are also called as stone deflectors. It is made up of rubber or hard plastic. It defends body of car from small pieces of stones coming from road side, or if the car is moving in the hilly area, might be some stone can come from the upside of the hill as well. So shields are generally made of rubber or hard plastics, and these are used to defend the passengers, to defend the driver and the one who is sitting inside the car, so that he does not receive the stone or some foreign body coming into the car body or into the auto body. Now we start with the major body panels. The major body panels of the auto body are the roof assembly. It is the uppermost part of car body. It starts from rear windshield and ends at front windshield. I repeat again, it is uppermost part of the car body, or it is uppermost part of the auto body. It starts from rear windshield and ends at front windshield. And the picture is visible here on the top of the car, and a separate picture of the roof assembly is visible here as well. The cowl panel. Cowl panel is also called the dash panel. This panel is in between the engine and passenger compartment. It is actually a hidden panel. It is difficult to see, to observe, to watch the cowl panel, as many accessories are bolted together or attached together or attached to the cowl panel from the driver side and from the engine side as well. It should be a robust and a hard one, and should be capable enough to support all those accessories. The floor panel. As the name indicates, the floor of the vehicle is consisting of a very large panel. It is an important panel of car body. Seats are bolted on floor panel. It gives support to cowl panel. You know, the cowl panel is located at the front of the floor panel. The wheel housing is supported by the floor panel, and the center pillar is also supported by the floor panel. The center body pillar. As we mentioned earlier, a center body pillar joins roof and floor panel together and gives support to passenger compartment. I repeat again, the center body pillar is a pillar, or the center body pillars are two pillars on either side of the car body. These pillars join roof and floor panel together and gives support to passenger compartment. It is generally made of very robust and hard material so that it can support the roof of the vehicle. Inner panels. These panels cannot be shown from outside of car, but these panels support the car body and all panels. You know, these panels are not visible while you are sitting in the car in the auto body. Then with some plastic or with some finishing, these inner panels are being hidden, kept hidden. These panels cannot be shown from outside of car, or even you cannot observe them from inside of the car. But these panels support the car body and all panels as well. The quarter panel. This panel starts from rear body, from rear door and ends at rear bumper. This panel joins all rear sections. This panel starts from rear door and ends at rear bumper. This panel joins all rear sections. Accessories of car body. Dear students, these accessories are actually shown to you for your personal exercise, but this type of detail is not included in the syllabus. However, you can go through the slide and maybe you shall draw a sketch yourself and can carry out the home assignment so that you prepare yourself for the future work. The bumpers. Bumpers are also called as face bar. Bumper is a straight or curved metallic bar which is fitted at front and rearmost of car body. It defends the accessories and other components like radiator during hit or in case of accident. It is shown in the picture separately, and while two vehicles met an accident, in the front and the rear bumper are usually damaged, so that sort of damage, expected damage, is also shown in the picture. Energy absorbing bumpers. Energy absorbing bumpers save the car front or rear end from hits. These bumpers are generally hydraulic or gas type. You know, a simple bumper will not be having the helical springs. It will not be having the fluid reservoir. But here in the energy absorbing bumpers, we are having a helical spring, that is return spring, and there is a reservoir in which the fluid is there available in the reservoir every time. When there is a hit, then the fluid comes out of the reservoir, and by the combined action of the helical spring and the fluid, the dampening of the fluid, the shocks which are supposed to be received by the vehicle are being dampened, are being lessened, are being reduced. These are called energy absorbing bumpers. The two pictures are actually showing the energy absorbing bumpers. The first one is in the case when there is no hit and therefore there is no oil is available, no fluid is available, no fluid orifice is visible in that case. In the second case, the fluid orifices are visible and the flow of fluid is visible towards either side. The moldings. Moldings are plastic chrome strips. These are fitted mostly on the spaces of joints. The moldings are not only supposed to be giving a good finish, a good look to the car body or to the auto body, but they at the same time they are filling the gaps between the various panels. So the various good looking moldings are available here in the picture. Here in this part of presentation, we will be discussing only a few methods through which the body parts, the body panels are attached to the frame. The first one is the bolting. In bolting method, body and frame are attached together by bolts and nuts. You know, there is a machine is made available, a machine is visible through which the screws can be bolted to the car frame. The screws can be made in the car frame and the various body parts can then be aligned. It is called bolting. Here in the method of bolting, we actually use the bolts and the nuts for attaching the various body parts to the car frame, to the car body. I repeat, in the bolting method, we actually align, we actually attach the various body parts through bolts and nuts to the car frame, and these are available in abundance in the picture. The second method is the welding. In welding method, frame and body is joined together with help of welding techniques, and you know through your workshop practices that there are various types of welding techniques which can be used for attaching various body parts with one another. I shall not go into those details.